How to install Firefox on Android. Firefox browser for Android is automatically private and incredibly fast. Thousands of online trackers are following you every day, collecting information about where you go online and slowing down your speed. Firefox blocks over 2,000 of these trackers by default, and there are ad blockers add-ons available if you want to customize your browser even more. With Firefox, you'll get the security you deserve and the speed you need in a private mobile browser. Let's install the app. First, we need to go to Play Store, so open Play Store. On the search above, write Firefox. Now tap on Search. After you have found the app, tap on Install and wait. You have now installed Firefox on your Android device. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. Tap on Sign Up. Write your email on the top and then tap Continue. Create the password and verify the password. Write how old you are. If you like, you can check the boxes below. Tap Create Account. You can tap here Remember or Never, how you wish. Select what to sync between devices. If you have two Android devices, one phone and one tablet, you can synchronize the devices. Tap Sync Selections. Write the verification code and tap Verify. You have now completed the install and created a new account on Firefox. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.